Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will show you how to find shared media in a group on WhatsApp using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your PC. Ensure that you have the latest version installed. Step 2. Click on the desired group from your chat list. This will open the group chat window. Step 3. Next, click on the group name located at the top of the chat window. Step 4. Within the group details, you will see different tabs such as Info, Media, and Links. Click on the Media tab to view all the shared media in that group. Now, you can easily browse through all the shared photos, videos, and documents in the group. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to revisit or download any media shared within the group without scrolling through the entire chat history. Remember, this feature is only available on the WhatsApp desktop version, so make sure you have it installed and updated. And there you have it. You can now effortlessly find and access shared media in a WhatsApp group on your PC. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.